Hello there and welcome. In today's lesson, we're going to solve this linear system using multiplying first. Some questions, such as this, do not have coefficients that are of the same magnitude. Hence, what do we do to eliminate the variable of that coefficient out of the linear system? That leads us to the method of multiplying first. So in this case, it's very easy to balance up the coefficient of the variable m in this linear system. And to do that, we simply multiply the first equation, okay, by 4, okay, and we'll multiply the second equation by 3 to balance it up. Remember, the aim is to make sure that we have the same coefficient, okay, for the variable m in the linear system. All right, so we multiply this out, and that automatically changes the values of the coefficient in the linear system. So the first one, multiply out 4 times 3, that is 12m minus 4 times 5, that is minus 20n equals, don't forget to multiply this as well, 4 times 11, that's 24. Okay, so we move on to the next one. 3 times 4, this is 12, and minus 3 times negative 6, this gives us negative 18, and because equals 3 times 16. We multiply this out. Of course, we have 8 and 4. Okay, I hope this is clear enough. So we'll move further from here. How do we now eliminate the variable m from the system? Certainly, to do that, all we simply need to do is to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Okay, by this arrangement, obviously 12m in both equation or in the linear system goes out. So we are left with negative 20 and negative 18 equals 44 negative 48. Okay, going further, we have negative 20n, this gives us plus 18n equals, when we simplify this gives us negative 4. All right, simplifying this, what we have is negative 2n, all right, negative 20n, positive 18n gives us negative 2n, and this equals negative 4. We divide both sides by negative 2, and what we have is n equals 2. Okay, this is the value of n. We move on to finding the value of n. We can use any of these two equations. So I would like to use the first one, which is 3n negative 5n equals 11. Substituting the value of n equals 2, here I have 3n negative 5 times 2 equals 11. This is 3n equals, negative 10 equals 11. And when I collect like terms, what I have is 3n equals 11 plus 10. And 3n will be equal to, this is 21. If I divide both sides, okay, by 3, my n will be 7. Therefore, my answer, final answer, n equals 2, okay, and my m, which is this, equals 7. This is my final answer. You can always, like I said in the previous video, you can always check your answer by substituting this value into any of this equation and see if there's an equality between the left hand side of the equation and the right hand side of the equation. As you can see here, n is 3 times 7 is 21. And here I have what? 10, okay? 21 minus 10 gives you 11. You can also try that with the second equation. Thank you for listening. This is where we're going to call it a day. In the next video, we'll show you how we can also do this by using the substitution method. Please, if you have any comment, please don't hesitate to use the comment section. And also, please like, share to people who need it. See you in the next video. Bye.